Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another simple tutorial video here. And in this video I'm going to show you how to fix blurry stories on your Facebook. So without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, go to your Facebook profile, and here on the right of your top screen you can see your profile icon. Click that option and now scroll down, and here you can see settings and privacy. Expand that option here and now select settings here. Just click the settings option here, and after that scroll down, and here you can see media. Just click the media option here, and here on top you can see I already selected optimize. That is mean adjust video quality to your network. You have to select this one, not the data saver option, but you may also find blurry stories after selecting this, because your mobile data or Wi-Fi data is not very good. If you are on a bad network, your picture will be your story will always be blurry. So make sure your mobile data or Wi-Fi is always on the high speed, so you will get the perfect story. So this is the video, and I hope this video helps you. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.